So welcome back to Coding CEO, the channel where I empower you to become the CEO of your own coding journey. In today's video, we are diving into an essential topic in Java programming, that is typecasting. Before we delve into typecasting, make sure you have checked out our previous videos on the fundamentals of Java and variables and data types. Having a solid foundation is crucial for mastering advanced concepts like typecasting. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is typecasting? So in Java, it's the process of converting one data type into another. This can be useful when you need to perform operations involving different data types. Now let's see some practical examples. So we have this code snippet that is Java typecasting. We have a typecasting demo class and a main method in it. We have implemented here a implicit casting, which is also known as widening. So in this code snippet, we are exploring implicit casting, which is also known as widening. Try this out on your own coding environment. Assign values to these variables and see the automatic conversion in action. So basically, I have assigned this myInt to 100 and this mylong to myInt. So this integer value is converted to a long data type. This long data type value is converted to float data type. This float data type value is converted to double. So it's a great way to reinforce your understanding, right? But what if we need to perform explicit casting? Here is the another example for explicit casting. Have you tried using explicit casting in your code? If not, give it a shot. It's an opportunity to see how you can manage data type conversion when they are not automatic. So this is nothing but explicit means or a forced typecasting. I have assigned this my double variable as a double data type and assigned some value for it. In this long data type of mylong variable, I have explicitly typecast the variable mydouble to long. So this means I force that mydouble variable to typecast into a long data type. Similar happened to mylong variable, forced it to convert to int data type, forced myint to short data type, forced myshort to byte data type. But using this explicit casting, we may lose some of the valuable data. As this example states, this mydouble variable has a value 123.45, and if I convert it to a long variable, it is converted to 123 only. Before moving further, let's talk about ASCII value. If you remember in our data types video, I have talked about ASCII value concept. So ASCII, which stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange, it assigns a unique numeric value to each character. We have already discussed the data type of character in our data type video. The ASCII value concept is nothing but how computers can understand the characters behind the scene. For example, the capital A character has a ASCII value 65. It's crucial to remember that when you convert characters into integer or vice versa. Let's explore a typecasting with characters and ASCII values. So in this typecasting, I have worked to char to int and the vice versa, means integer to character. So here I have one variable called as myChar, in which I store a character value A. I want it to convert to int. So this char to int has stored a value of 65. Now for int to char, I have some ASCII value, which is nothing but a 98, which is integer value, and I want char int to char variable explicitly typecast it to char. Then this is nothing but a small b. Talking about the ASCII values, we have a capital A to capital Z, small a to small z. For capital A, we have 65 as an ASCII value. For small a, we have 97 as its ASCII. For capital Z and small z, we have a respective value of 91 and 123. You need to just remember these four values, mainly also 0 to 9. So basically in this example, we explore typecasting with characters. Have you tried converting characters to their ASCII values and vice versa? It's a fascinating way to see the relationship between characters and their underlying numeric representation. Now let's look at the situation where typecasting might not work as expected. Here is a common mistake we have done. Have you ever tried directly casting a string to an integer and ended up with an error? Instead of that, you need to use a method like integer.parseInt. So here is the method. We cannot convert a string directly to integer value. We have write a hello world program. So what is this hello world? It is also considered as a string. string data type, right? So this string data type cannot be directly converted to integer. We need to use some inbuilt method to achieve these conventions smoothly. Let's make this more interactive. I want you to try something right now. Go ahead and pick your favorite character in the code below. Replace that X with your chosen character and see its ASCII value, and let me know in the comment section which character you choose and what is the ASCII value for that character. So for that I have converted this. I have already talked to you about ASCII values. You can relate that in this program and see how it works. Fantastic. I hope you tried out that code snippet. Did you discover the ASCII value of your character? It's these little experiments that make coding an exciting journey for you. Next, we can explore Boolean conversions also. In this snippet, we cover Boolean conversions basically. Have you experimented with converting Booleans to strings and vice versa? It's simple yet crucial skills for managing different data types. So in Boolean data type, I already told you that there are only two types of data we can store, right? True or false. So we can convert strings to boolean using this boolean.parseBoolean and boolean to string using this boolean.toString. Okay, so lastly, let's explore converting between different numeric types. In this final example, we explore converting between different numeric types. Have you given this a shot? Converting between numeric types can be both challenging and rewarding, especially when you understand how the data fits into different sizes. So here I have defined my int and assign it to 50 value, right? I have explicitly typecasted to a short. I have explicitly typecasted to byte and convert that to my short and my byte variable name respectively and print that. Just give a try to this code and see how converting between numeric types is done. And that concluded our in-depth exploration of typecasting in Java. We have covered a wide range of scenarios from primitive types to characters, strings, boolean, as well as different numeric conversions. Stay tuned for more empowering content right here on CodingCEO. In our upcoming videos, I will cover the concepts like identifier, naming conventions, operators, conditions, looping, and even dive into star pattern program. This is CodingCEO signing off. Keep coding, keep conquering, and keep being the CEO of your coding dreams. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest tutorial. Thanks for watching.